Hello students, welcome to Engineering Helpline, a channel for all engineering students. Today in this video of circuit and system, we will learn how to synthesize a ramp signal and solve various problems. Circuit and system. Today in this class, we will discuss how to synthesize a ramp function and solve various problems based on the synthesis. Now let us solve this question. In this question, this is the magnitude of the signal 1, and we have to synthesize this figure number 22. Based on the previous discussion, we know that this function a of t has two parts, 1 and 2. So a of t is the summation of 1 plus 2. Now let us write down the expression for 1. As already I have told you, apply GS formula. First of all, this is the slope 1 minus 0 divided by 1 minus 0 into t minus intersection point will be t. Then this is the gate function from u of t minus 0 to u of t minus 1. So this is the expression for 1. Simply we can obtain the expression for this part 2. Its slope is 1, then it is t minus 1. So this is because this is the intersection point of this line, and a gate function from ranging from t minus 1 to t minus 2. So this will be the expression for the second part. On solving, we will get t ut minus u of t minus 1 minus t minus 2 u of t minus 2 minus u of t minus 2. So this will become a ramp function. Tut is a ramp function. It will be t of t. It is a shifted unit step function. T minus 2 u of t minus 2 is a shifted ramp function r of t minus 2, and it is a shifted unit step function. Okay, so let us move to the next question. Figure number 23. In this figure number 23, as you can see, there are three parts, 1, 2 and 3. So a of t will be the summation of three functions, 1, 2 and 3. Apply GS formula for part 1. This is part 1. You will get here the slope is 2. 2 minus 1 upon 1 minus 0 will give me 2. Then t minus 0 will be t, a gate function from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to 1. This is for first part. Second part is a gate function with a magnitude 1. So 1 u of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 2 will be the expression for second part. In third part, this is a decreasing slope, so its slope will be minus 2 upon 1. This you have to keep in your mind. Now we will apply a minus signal, minus sign, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into t minus 3, because this line is passing from 3. U of t minus 2 minus u of t minus 2 is a gate function. On simplifying, you will get 2t u of t minus 2t minus 1 u of t minus 1 minus 2t minus 5 u of t minus 5 plus 2t minus 6 u of t minus 3. Clear? Now let us move to the next problem based on the same formula, ramp synthesis. This figure 24 has three parts, 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. So if I have to synthesize it, A of t will be the summation of three parts, 1, 2 and 3. This first part, first of all, let us find the slope. Slope is 1 minus 0 upon a minus 0. It will be 1 upon a. This is the slope for the first part. This line, so it will be t minus 0. So I have written t here. Then a gate function from t is equal to 0 to t is equal to a will be u of t minus u of t minus a. This is the expression for first part. Second part is a gate function, magnitude 1. This gate function. So it will be 1 to u of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 3a. Then the third part, again minus, because it is slope is downward, so minus 1 upon a will be the slope, t minus 4a because it is intersecting x-axis at 4a, u of t minus 3a minus u of t minus 4a. So this will be the final expression for figure 24. Let us move to the next question. This one, figure 25. In figure 25, you can see that the function a of t is rising first. So this is one ramp function. Then it is coming downward. This is second ramp function. Then it is coming upward. So this is third ramp function. So we can synthesize it using three parts. One is from 0 to 2, another is from 2 to 4, third is from 4 to 6. So let us first synthesize first part from 0 to 2. Slope will be 2 minus minus 2 will be 4 divided by this part. It will give me 2. So slope will be 4 upon 2. Same method, y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. And this line is intersecting at 1, so it is t minus 1. A gate function from 0 to 2 will be u of t minus 0 means u of t minus u of t minus 2. Up till this point, it is the expression for the first ramp. Similarly, second ramp, first of all, I'll put a sign of minus. Again, slope is same as per the first part. It is 4 divided by 2. And now it is t minus 3 because this is intersecting at 3. So t minus 3. A gate function from 2 to 4 will be u of t minus 2 minus u of t minus 4. And the third part will be slope, similarly 4 by 2 positive, and ramp function shifted intersecting at 5, so t minus 5. A gate function from 4 to 6 will be u of t minus 3 minus u of t minus 6. Now let us simplify this expression. It will give me 2 t minus 1 u of t minus 2 t minus 1 u of t minus 2. Okay, and will be 2 t minus 3 u of t minus 3. I have taken all the u of t terms separate, u of t minus 2 terms separate, u of t minus 4 terms separate, and u of t minus 6 terms separate. So on separating this way, you will get 2t minus 1 u of t and with u of t minus 2 you will get this part. With u of t minus 4 you will get 2t minus 6 plus 2t minus 10, and with u of t minus 6 you will get minus 2t minus 5, so on. So this is the final expression for this figure number 25. Let us solve another problem. So this is the question, figure number 26. You can see this figure and you will see that the expression function a of t has these four separate parts. One is this one, a ramp from 0 to 1, then a gate function from 1 to 2, second part, then third part is a ramp from 2 to 3, again fourth part is a ramp from 3 to 4. Means to synthesize this function I have to synthesize four functions, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So I write AT means function is equal to the summation of all these four parts. Now let us synthesize the first part. 2 upon 1 is the ramp for this first part and it is passing from 0, so I have written t. And u of t minus u of t minus 1. Second part is a gate function, magnitude 2, u of t minus 1 minus u of t minus 2. This is the second part. Third part, you can see that this third part is a ramp going from plus 2 to minus 2. So its slope will be, it is coming downwards, so I'll write 4 upon, this is 1, so 4 upon 1 into t minus 5 by 2. Why I have written this 5 by 2? Because this line will definitely pass from the intersection of 2 and 3. This 2.5 is the midpoint of 2 and 3. So I have written 2.5 or 5 upon 2. Then I have to apply a gate function from 2 to 3, u of t minus 2 minus u of t minus 3. Then for this fourth part, sign will be positive, slope is 2, this line is passing from 4, so t minus 4, u of minus 3 minus u of t minus 4. I think this part is clear to all of you. So this is the expression for synthesis of figure 26. So keep watching our channel Engineering Helpline. For any problem you can write down in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe our channel Engineering Helpline so that we can come up with the solution of all your problems and new technical videos for you. Thank you.